In the morning light you stretch so wide, tiny paws and sleepy eyes, jumping down with a silent grace, tail up high, you own the place. Oh, my little cat, soft and sly, chasing dreams under the sky. With a leap you break the calm, a purr that acts like soothing balm. Windows glow when you take a seat, silent watcher on padded feet. World beyond in your golden gaze, a secret light filled with maze. Oh, my little cat, soft and sly, chasing dreams under the sky. Heart untamed, forever wild, making mischief like a child. Shadows move, you stalk and play, night's a canvas for your ballet. Mystery lingers in your stride, a feline queen you won't hide. Oh, my little cat, soft and sly, chasing dreams under the sky.